Welcome back to Swat&Vee Immigration News. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Let's get into the video. Visa retrogression refers to situations where there are more visa applicants for a certain category or countries than there are available visas for that month. Typically occurring near the end of the fiscal year, visa retrogression can end up meeting the visa applicant's priority date shift around the set cutoff date, meeting in 1 month and then potentially not meeting at the following month due to the surge in demand. To be eligible to apply for a green card, either in the United States through adjustment of status or overseas through consular processing, there must be a visa number available to you when you apply. Whether a visa number is available or not depends on the use of these in your category and the country in the rate of which green card applications are being processed by the government. Your place in line is determined by your priority date, usually the date your labor certification was filed with the U.S. Department of Labor, or, for those applications not requiring labor certification, that date a petition was filed with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, when more people apply in a certain category than there are visas available. The U.S. Department of State establishes a cutoff date, which is the priority date of the first applicant who could not be issued a visa within the numerical limits. Visa numbers are available only to those applicants with priority before the cutoff date. Every month, the U.S. State Department Visa Bulletin reviews how priority dates move from foreign nationals seeking to adjust from temporary status to permanent residence. Movement is dependent on various factors: how many adjustment of status applications were received by U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services in the previous month, and the allocation of the congressional annual limit are both factors that could relate to this movement. Foreign nationals with a priority date appearing after the cutoff date listed on the Visa Bulletin will be retrogressed, essentially meaning the USCIS review of their pending adjustment of status. Application will be put on hold until their priority date becomes current again. If a priority date was previously current at an adjustment of status case is pending for you and your family, your Form I-485 adjustment of status application will be put on hold until your priority date once again becomes current. However, your advance parole and employment authorization document combo card will be processed and can be renewed even while your case is retrogressed. Individuals should know that Form I-140 Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker is not impacted by retrogression. The form will continue to be adjudicated as usual even if an applicant is in retrogression. Let's know about EB-3 India and China retrogressions in the November Visa Bulletin. In last month's Visa Bulletin, the State Department released projections for the next several months of visa availability, stating that retrogress final action dates could be imposed for India and China as early as over 2021. These projections were reversal from the agency prior EB-3 predictions, stating that retrogressions were unlikely to be imposed prior to the summer of 2022. In the November Visa Bulletin, the State Department explains that the new retrogressions are due to a recent heavy increase in visa demand by USCIS in connection with adjustment of status adjudication. Towards the end of the fiscal year 2021, USCIS significantly increased their rate of adjustment adjudications in an attempt to minimize the number of immigrant visa numbers that would go unused for the fiscal year. In last month, State Department's YouTube event to discuss the Visa Bulletin related projections, the agency stated that if a retrogression was to occur, the agency's goal would be to retrogress only once during the fiscal year, and then either hold steady or move forward during the rest of that fiscal year. The agency does not want to move dates ahead too early and then need to retrogress them again in further months, resulting in a potential back and forth of cutoff dates if at all possible. Please share this information with family and friends who may need it. You can also help us spread the message by sharing it on all social media. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell for more immigration updates. Bye!